Guys, how are you doing? In this video I'm going to share with you how you can make money with affiliate marketing, or if you're already an affiliate marketer, I'm going to share with you how you can scale your affiliate marketing business. So if this is your first time seeing my video, my name is Emmanuel. In this video I share with you how you can build your audience that buys whatever you sell. Alright, let's dive into the main video for today. So you and I know that affiliate marketing is worth about 21 billion US dollar globally. So there is a huge opportunity for you to make money through affiliate marketing. No matter the country you're from, Nigeria, Cameroon, Ghana, Kenya, USA, there is a huge opportunity for you to make money online. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is just a middleman. You connect buyers to seller. You understand? So I will say that this video I'm making is directly for Nigerians starting to have to make money through affiliate marketing, because a lot of Nigerians misunderstood the concept of affiliate marketing. A lot of them start affiliate marketing with their last card, their last money, but after 1 year, 2 years, even though it's one of the easiest and fastest way they can make money online, yet they are still struggling as an affiliate marketer. Many affiliate marketers, current affiliate marketers, have reached out to me and they're like, this business is still for threatening, I can't make money, all this stuff. So in this video I want you to pay close attention to this video. I'm going to share with you how you can make money, at least your first dollar, your second dollar in affiliate marketing, and how you can scale it. So the first thing you need to understand, please, I will be reading that from my notes because I just write it down. So the first thing you need to understand is that before you make money in affiliate marketing, number one, you need to have a product that you're selling. Number two, you need to have audience that you have to sell to, and number three, you need to get those audience to give you money for your product. You need a product to sell, you need to have audience to sell to, and you need to get those audience to give you money for your product. These are the three things you needed in affiliate marketing. Now for the first one, you need a product. Now you don't struggle to create a product or whatever, just go to one of the affiliate platforms like PropN, Espatania, Digistem, Seller. You understand? Pick a product there based on what your audience needs and recommend it to them. That is the easiest way to make money. So I will come to that. Now, one of the problems I've seen a lot of affiliate marketers make is that once they start affiliate marketing, they just go to Seller and pick a product and start promoting, which is very, very difficult for you. You can't, as in, if you do this, you might even stay years without making any single sale. So you don't just start affiliate marketing and start promoting a product. No, that is a very wrong thing to do. What you have to do is that when you start affiliate marketing, the first thing you have to do is that you have to build audience. Yes, you have to build audience. When you have audience that can buy whatever you sell, it will be almost impossible for you not to make sale in affiliate marketing. By the way, if you're an affiliate marketer watching this video, you struggle to generate leads, people don't buy your products, people say no to your product, in my workshop I share with you how you can build your audience that buys whatever you sell without being so pushy. So if you need my workshop, go over to the description of this video and grab it now. You don't need to build audience from scratch. You need to leverage on other people's audience and build your own audience. Alright, keep enjoying. So the first thing you need to do when you're starting affiliate marketing is to build audience. Not just start promoting products. No, build audience, then find out what those audience need and start promoting, recommend them a product. But I see most affiliate marketers, they make this mistake. They start affiliate marketing today, they start promoting products today without even knowing what the marketplace needs. So how do you actually build your audience? There are different ways you can build your audience. The first one is you need to do is one, you pick a niche that you want to build your audience on. You pick a niche. You can pick a niche in health, you can pick a niche in wealth, you can pick a niche in relationship. You understand? So if you pick a niche in health, you can then, when you have picked a niche, you choose a sub niche in that industry. You can pick, maybe if you are in health industry, you can say, okay, I will be making content, I will be solving problem, I have to cure obesity, or I will be solving problem about skincare, I will be solving problem about hair. You understand? You pick a sub niche in that. Then, because the niche is very, very saturated, if you just pick a niche, a lot of people will not allow you to make money in it. And then the second one is that you can pick a niche in wealth industry. When you pick a niche in wealth industry, you might start talking about how to make money online, about financial advice, about real estate, other things relating to how to make money. Or you can pick a niche in relationship. When you pick a niche in relationship, you can start talking about how to maintain marriage, how to find a husband, how to find wife, how to find a girlfriend, you understand, and start talking on the other. So now that you pick a niche, another way you can pick a niche is to find something that you're passionate about. You understand? If you're passionate about creating content, you pick a niche and about it and start creating content. And if you are passionate about copywriting, you can do that. If you are passionate about affiliate marketing, if you're any industry that you're passionate about, you can pick a niche about it and start teaching it to people. You understand? Or another one, you can you can pick something that's your pain, that you have struggled for. If you are struggling to upload YouTube videos, because you can pick a niche and start saying people as promoting a product or how to upload videos on YouTube. Now you can start making content about your skill. If you are a graphic designer, a video editor, you can pick that niche and start making content about it. Understand? So now that you have picked a niche, the next thing is that how do you let people to know about you, that you exist? You can let people know that you exist either by creating content, especially by creating content, and then you reach out to people one-on-one. You reach out to people one-on-one is the easiest way you can use to start making money today, because when you're creating content, first your content is not going to get a lot of views, but when you reach out to people one-on-one, you force them to notice it, force them to let them know that they have a solution to their problem. So what you have to do is that you reach out to them and tell them, hey, I have a solution to your problem. So what you have to do is first, when you're starting out free marketing, first you have to do is to build audience. You understand? You build audience through build audience through content creation by choosing these niches that I've shared with you. Then after building audience, you have had about 10 followers or whatever. The next thing is to find out what they are struggling with and recommend a product to them. You understand? It will be way more easier for you to make sale. Now here's the point: it will be way more easier for you to make sale in affiliate marketing if you build audience first before starting affiliate before recommending a product to them. But if you just started affiliate marketing and pick a product and start finding people to sell it to, you might even spend 3 years, 4 years before you even make sale. That is the mistake I did. So build audience first. You understand? When you build audience first, it's very more easier for you to make sale. So if you are thinking of how to make money online as an affiliate marketer, it's very simple. Pick a product, then build audience first, and then find a product to promote to people and make sale. So how do you actually build audience? By creating content and reaching out to people one-on-one. So if this video helps you, don't forget to subscribe and share it to the next person that needs how to make money through affiliate marketing.